long story short, we have a mutual friend by the name of Tim Devon, and his girlfriend bought him a typewriter out of the blue at some record shop. They went to a bar where he just started kind of pounding rhythms on it, and the bartender or the waitress was a little, annoyed about this and came over and, kind of gave him a little bit of hell, and he goes, "It's all right, I'm the conductor of the Boston Typewriter Orchestra." And that's where the idea came from, and Tim decided to get together a bunch of us just to pound out rhythms on typewriters.
I mean, it's by definition pretty rhythm heavy. There's not many tonal notes you can come out with from a typewriter. We rely a lot on that key striking paper, but pretty much it's we try to be more organized than a drum circle. Really rhythm heavy. Pretty melody light.
You have key striking paper, so are there words that come out? Like when you type, do ever sentences come out either by plan or on purpose?
We attempted that on purpose, but unless you consider 5 pages of S and backslash a sentence, it's pretty much just random.
So you have a key that you prefer hitting, like you would hit an S and a backslash, those are your keys?
Well, the problem is I have keys that I prefer, and then they start shearing off inside the typewriter. That, after several hours of pounding on the thing, the key just flies off. So you have to become versatile for the keys that still work. We actually end up sort of destroying our typewriters as we go along. That they start out in pretty good condition and move down from there. So we're always looking for new stock.
So what's the future for the Boston Typewriter Orchestra?
Right now we're still trying to figure that out. A step we're trying to make toward is more traditional song structure, so it's a little more organized, a little more disciplined, and we actually get some vocal into it. I mean, we do a bit of vocal that's somewhat satirical and chanting and things like that. We try to be funny, but we're actually we just finished one up where we actually put lyrics to rhythm, so it actually sounds like a song rather than us just kind of grooving on a beat. And we want to try to explore that a little bit and maybe push off in other directions. Right now, we're still playing around with other sounds that we can get out of it. Like, we just found out that many of the typewriters, the rollers come out. This was news to us, so we started putting in copper piping. And sheets of aluminum flashing and things like this, just for different sounds. And we're just really trying to push what the typewriter can do or what it can produce. We're gonna try and do PVC pretty soon, PVC piping. We haven't done that yet, but in time.
You could ask the Blue Man Group for advice on that.
Yeah,
that's really cool.
Bit, but there's only so much piping that will actually fit in the typewriter before it becomes ridiculous. So.